shoe choice is testing, mic test. Hi guys, this is Carlos of swimbikeRun.ph. Last January 27, we did a series of tests, if naalala nyo. If you haven't followed us yet, so ang ginawa namin noon, last January 27, we tried so many shoes. Bilangin natin to. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. We tried on 14 shoes kasi we wanted to... Actually, I wanted to go back into running, diba? So, with that, I've been using yung mga luma ko shoes and wala na, hindi na talaga siya pwede. So, we went on this journey na tinry namin yung mga running shoes. And interestingly enough, ang dami naging interested na to the point kanina, while we were at Vermosa, may nagtanong sa akin, "Sir, yung running shoes mo pala, ano yung napili mo?" So, naalala namin, nga, no, ang date na ngayon. It's August already. And then January pa to. January pa kami na nag-try ng mga shoes. And then actually may napili na kami. So, if you haven't watched our videos yet, nandun yung shoe actually gamit na namin. But, i-present na rin namin ngayon. I think it deserves those series of videos. Nag-try kami ng shoes. Inapakan lang namin. So, I think those series of videos deserve a conclusion, diba? So, without further ado, actually, banggitin ko pala muna yung mga shoes na tinry namin. Ito yun natin ginagawa namin. Pinapost namin sa TikTok and sa YouTube, on all our social media pages. So, wini-wear namin yung shoes and then we walk around a bit. Of course, hindi namin tinatakbo, but we try it on and then we've been running for a long time. So, we actually know pagkaapak pa lang if that shoe is right for us. Brief background about me, I've been running since super tagal na. But syempre, nahinto rin because life came up. But so now I'm starting to come back and then I need new shoes. So I've been using before mga Adizero and then ng Adidas. But if you notice, iba na yun eh, diba? Ngayon puro mga Boost na. And then also yung mga influx ng mga new shoes, yung mga carbon and everything. So tinry namin siya. So for our comeback, we decided to pick a non-carbon plated shoe. Why? Because based on our research, hindi siya pwede if you're trying to come back pa lang. Plus, it's a race shoe, di ba? Plus, if you're an amateur runner, ordinary runner ka lang, na hindi ka naman actually going for PRs and everything, it might actually be more detrimental than a positive one for you. So, but that's our opinion. Disclaimer lang, I am not a coach. I am not a shoe expert, but I'm just sharing what I feel or kung ano yung naramdaman ko nung mga tinry ko yung mga shoes na yun. So, yung mga na-try namin is an Adidas Evo SL, Adidas Ultra Boost 5, New Balance 1080 V14, New Balance Trainer Fuel Cell, Saucony Triumph 22, Hoka Bondi 9, Brooks Glycerin Max, Asics Kayano 31, Asics Gel Nimbus 27, Puma Velocity Nitro 3, ang dami nito, Adidas Adizero Boston 12, Adidas Adizero SL3, On Running Monster 2, and On Running Cloud Flyer 5. So, hindi ko na kompleto yung brief background about me. So, matagal na rin naman ako nagra-run and yun nga, alam ko na yung shoes na bagay sa akin. And yung archetype ko, I'm severely flat-footed. As in, flat-footed talaga. So, hindi ko napapakita pa ako ngayon. Pero if you see it, talagang ganun siya. So, I've had problems with injuries, with shoes. Kasi nga, dati hindi ko naman alam eh. Wala naman tayong mga gait na analysis before. So, when I found out na I was flat-footed, ayun na. So, I was also always getting injured before. Ang dami kong knee problems. Sa mga shin. Sa shin ba or sa calf? Tapos yun na. Most usually sa knee. Tapos yun na, syempre, as you try and run, yun na, magdudugtong-dugtong na as your body compensates for the injury. So, without further ado, ito siya. So, this is the Brooks Glycerin Max. So, I'll explain why I got this kumpara doon sa mga iba. So, I got this runner for, ito yung price niya now, nakalagay sa website, for 10,495. So, close lang natin yan. So, just a quick review. Why we like this? First of all, it's very light. So second, it's non-carbon. So which is important for us na hindi carbon plated yung shoe namin. And pagka as a flat-footed runner, pagkasuot pa lang namin sa kanya, it's very stable. Yun yung nagustuhan namin. Ayan, hindi nagra-rock yung shoe. So I'll try to post a link of all those videos na tinake namin. 3 parts lang naman yun. 3 videos yun of us trying all these 14 shoes. So makikita mo pa lang kung flat-footed ka, especially for us, we're on the heavier side, di ba? Obvious naman. So pagkaapak pa lang namin, makikita mo yung shoes, yung arc ko, bumababa ng ganun right away. Pagkaapak pa lang, first step, pak, pak, and then we'll try to jump. Pagka-jump pa lang, gumagano, nagko-collapse na. And that collapsing part na yun, that's enough, in my opinion, to cause an injury. So isipin mo na lang, sa trial mo pa lang yun, and then pagkasuot mo pa lang, gumagano na yung arc mo. Di ba? Hindi na naso-support nito yung arc support niya. So pag nagko-collapse yan, imagine how it is pagka naglo-long run ka na and everything. So what we like about this shoe also, I think this is an older model. I do not know if 2020, ano ba to, 2024 or something, but we don't mind because we like the color. So ito yung napili namin, medyo okay naman siya, pang formal, pero hindi namin of course gagamitin doon. So what are we gonna use this for? We're gonna use this for all our training runs. DNA Tune, this is very good. I've done a lot of research about this. It's super comfortable and really responsive. Yun yung napansin ko. Kasi hindi naman namin ito pinang-speed work, pero for regular runs, when you step on it, pagkaapak mong ganyan, magre-rebound talaga. And again, ang type din namin dito, wala siyang carbon. So nothing against those wearing carbon types. Iba pag nag-try kami ng carbon plated, pagkaapak mo pa lang, ganun pala siya, no? Pagkaapak mo pa lang, you'll really feel the effect of those carbon plates. Parang unusual for us, like, kasi we're just starting, di ba? So unusual for us yung running style niya. Pagkaapak mo pa lang, you're being pushed na right away. That is good if you're already fast, and then you're already used to running na. Pero if you're beginning pa lang, in our opinion, hindi siya okay. So, yun. So, this is the Brooks Glycerin Max. We absolutely love it. Siguro comment lang yung, if ever, yung sole niya, hindi siya complete, di ba? If you're a pronator over, ano ba tawag pag bumabagsak? Pag flat-footed ka kasi, this is the part that gets worn out first. So, I don't know, correct me if I'm wrong na lang, if it's overpronation or pronation. I think it's overpronation. So, pag gumagano natin, overpronate. So, ito yung unang part na nauubos. So, ang concern lang namin, there's makikita mo, meron kasing rubber dito. So, we're just scared na if this gets worn out, unlike sa mga Adidas, di ba nakikita mo yung rubber niya sa Adidas or sa ibang shoe, yung pinaka-goma niya sa sole is made by Continental, if I'm not mistaken. So, alam mo, mas extra matibay. So, if these are ordinary rubbers, we're just scared na pag na-worn out na yan, we will run directly na dun sa cushioning niya, dun sa foam niya. So, we don't know gaano katagal to or gaano tatagal, but we're gonna keep on using it for all our training runs. So, yun lang. Again, this is not a sponsored video. We bought the shoe and we'll try to keep reviewing things na para ma-share din namin sa inyo. This has been a long time coming and we love doing this. So finally, I think this is our first ever on-shoe review. So that's it, guys. So will I recommend this for beginners? Yes, it's a bit on the high side, pero usually naman mga nasa 10K plus na yung mga high-end shoes. Pero do you need to get this? No. Pero if you think you can use it, kung gagamitin mo naman, if it inspires you to run, like how yung effect niya, ganun sa akin kasi every time I see this, it makes me want to run and go outside. So I think that's the most important one. It doesn't matter kung gaano ka mahal yan, kung gaano ka, ano ba yung mga features yan. If you don't use it, baliwala, diba? And this shoe, the Brooks Glycerin Max, definitely makes me want to go out and run. So that's it for our first ever on-shoe review. Hope you like it. So see you. Thank you.